In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Behance using Google as a starting point. This step-by-step guide will help you access and manage your Behance profile seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, our journey begins at the most familiar place on the internet, Google. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, click on the search bar and type in Behance. This will bring up a list of search results, and usually the official Behance website should be the very first result that appears. Go ahead and click on that link to access the website. Using Google to search for Behance is often quick and convenient, especially if you're opening the site from a device where you might not have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Behance homepage, you'll need to go to your profile. If you're already logged into your account, you can easily find your profile from the homepage. At the top right corner of your screen, look for your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Portfolio or Your Profile, depending on what shows up. This will lead you directly to your own profile page, where you can see all of your shared projects, connections, and any followers you may have gathered along the way. If you're not logged in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button, enter your login credentials, and then access your profile. Finally, let's talk about signing out from your Behance account when you're done. It's always a good habit to log out, particularly if you're on a shared or public device. To do this, navigate back to that profile icon at the top right of your screen. Click on it once more to see the same drop-down menu as before. This time, look for the Sign Out option. Click on it, and voila, you'll be safely signed out of your account. This straightforward process will ensure you can easily manage your Behance portfolio and protect your personal information whenever necessary. If, at any time, you run into issues, consider checking the Behance support section, as the platform provides numerous resources to help with different kinds of problems. Plus, keeping your login details secure is always recommended to maintain the integrity of your account. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to access and navigate Behance using Google right from the get-go. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope these steps help streamline your journey on Behance, making it simple to showcase your creative work. Keep exploring, keep creating, and take care until next time.